oatmeal banana bread. Mash the bananas. Add butter at room temperature. Add yogurt. Eggs. Vanilla. And mix it. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Add some pumpkin spice or some cinnamon. Flour. Baking powder. Instant oatmeal. And my favorite secret ingredient, farina. Mix it. Now add your favorite things to go with a banana bread. Walnuts are very good, but my kids prefer chocolate chips. Mix it. Grease your favorite baking dish. Pour the batter into your favorite baking dish. Bake for an hour and 20 minutes. Easy oatmeal banana bread, healthy and delicious. Lots of healthy fiber, no added sugar. Enjoy warm or chilled. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I look forward to sharing more recipes from Mrs. Foods.